In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll all the way down to hit System. Then we need to access Gboard settings. To do that, choose Languages and Import, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Last but not least, select Text Correction and use this switcher next to Auto Correction to turn it off or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!